Hello, my name is Nicole Greer. My banner ID is 01675691, and I've not collaborated with anyone on this assignment. This video will demonstrate testing between two means. The Writing Center at HTC claims that the students who use the Writing Center, along with their writing course, earn higher grades. Today we will be testing this claim between the means of students who use the Writing Center and those who do not. First, we have to make sure the assumptions are satisfied. The independence assumption is satisfied because the data arrives from a sample of HTC students and their GPAs are likely to be independent. The normal population assumption is satisfied because of the nearly normal condition, which says that the data comes from a distribution that's unimodal and symmetric. So now that we know that the assumptions are satisfied, we want to find the GPA mean and standard deviation for both the students who do not use the Writing Center and those who do. We will do that by going to Stats, Summary Stats, Columns, Overall GPA, and we're going to group it by students using the Writing Center. And then you want to select Mean to Standard Deviation and Compute. I've already done that here. So we can see that the mean of students who do not use the Writing Center is 2.93 for their GPA, and the standard deviation is 0.61. But for the students who do, the mean is much lower, so the GPA is actually only 0.91, and the standard deviation is 0.45. I also want to mention the number of students in our sample. So the number of students that do use the Writing Center is only 206. I did this by graphing, and you're able to see it. You could choose a few different things, but I used a pie chart. And the number of students who do not use the Writing Center is 3,331. So our null hypothesis for this is going to be mean 1 minus mean 2, and that's going to come out to be negative 2.02. And our alternative hypothesis is mean 1 minus mean 2 is greater than, it should be greater than negative 2.02. So let's go ahead and plug that into StatCrunch. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to Stats, T-Stats, and it's two samples with a summary, and plug all the different numbers that we have. So the sample mean was 2.93, our standard deviation was 0.61, our sample size for that was 3,331, and for this one it is 0.91. 0.45, and our sample size was only 206 students that are using the Writing Center. And the hypothesis test, like I said, comes out to be 2.02 because you're taking this and subtracting this. And it is, our claim is saying that it's greater than the negative 2.2, so let's compute that. And you can see here that our p-value is less than 0.0001. Because the p-value is so small, we fail to reject null. There's no evidence, or not sufficient evidence, I should say, to say that the students in the Writing Center are getting better grades.